Maxim 17. Everyone thinks himself perfect in intellect and his child in beauty. Well, nowadays especially, right? For the most part, being silent and reserved about one's form is, no one's so good looking that it excuses immodesty. That's nonsense. Or that they have to cover up because they can't be seen at all because they're just so beautiful that neither thing's true. A Jew was debating with a Muslim till I shook with laughter at their dispute. Muslim said in anger, "If this deed of mine is not correct, may God cause me to die a Jew." The Jew said, "I swear by the Pentateuch that if my oath is false, I shall die a Muslim like thee. Should from the surface of the earth wisdom disappear, still no one will acknowledge his own ignorance." Well, yeah, that's not a right thing to say. What you should both want is to be upon the good and the truth, regardless of which one of these two or whatever one is. And don't just say things in anger. Say things that you would mean.